Dear students of class 7th, today our chapter in English grammar is present indefinite tense. As we already have seen, the tense-wise table of the tense-wise table of the tense. In those tables we have seen which helping verbs are used and what form of the main verb is used in different tenses. Let us begin our present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, helping verb do or does are used. Main verb is in verb first plus yes or es, or only verb first. To translate the sentences in this tense, rule first is with the subjects I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, we use verb first. First example is I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson. With I learn, the root form of the main form of the verb is learn is used here with the subject I. Second, you fly a kite. You fly a kite. With you fly, the main form of the verb is used here. You fly a kite. Thus, with the subjects I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, we use verb first. Now the second rule, with these subjects, we use the helping verb do. With the subject I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, we use the helping verb do in interrogative and negative sentences, and the sentences which emphasize the action. In the affirmative sentences which emphasize an action, the helping verb do is used in affirmative sentences. Example, they do not reach school in time. With the subject do, with the subject they, do not is used. Second, do the boys like their beds? This sentence is in interrogative sentence. Do the boys like their beds? Do is used at the first place before the subject in this tense to make the sentence interrogative. Third, I do my work regularly. मैं अपना कार्य नियमित करता तो हूँ, इसका ये अर्थ है. यानी do my work को यहाँ emphasize किया गया है. I do my work regularly. They do play cricket in the morning. Sentence 3, I do my work regularly is here. Do is the main verb in this tense, and the main form of the verb is do here. In sentence 4, they do play cricket in morning. वे सुबह में क्रिकेट खेलते तो हैं. यहाँ खेलते हैं को emphasize करने के लिए do played लिखा गया है. They do play cricket in the morning. Now the rule third, with the subjects he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use verb first plus yes or es. With the subjects he, she, it, and singular noun as boy, girl, crow, man, woman, etc. These are the singular nouns, and with the singular nouns, the yes or yes is added in the first form of the verb. Example, Ram tells a lie. Ram tells a lie. Here, in tell, yes is added. The second sentence, she speaks the truth. She speaks the truth. Here, speaks in the verb speak, yes is added. He teaches us English. He teaches us English. In the verb teach, es is added here. Rule 4. With these subjects, we use helping verb does in negative and interrogative sentences. With these subjects, we use helping verb does in negative and interrogative sentences. इन सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब डज का निगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज में प्रयोग करते हैं एंड इन द सेंटेंसेज टू emphasize an action. We also use do in affirmative sentence. With does, only verb first is used. For example, first, he does not sing a song. After does, here sing does not have yes or yes. So, in the sentences where does is used, no yes or yes is added to the verb. He does not sing a song. Does Ram know you well? In an interrogative sentence, does is at first used in the sentence before the subject. When does he get up? When does he get up? वह कब उठता है? He does go to movie but on Sundays. वह फिल्मों को देखने जाता तो है लेकिन रविवारों को. तो डज गो यहाँ पर गो एक्शन को इम्फेसाइज करने के लिए डज का प्रयोग हुआ है अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में. He does go to movie but on Sundays. That is the end of the present indefinite tense.